You can buy everything in Thailand.
We can buy a couple of coconuts. Are you feeling thirsty, my friend?
Yeah, let's stop by the next one. I
Okay.
love coconuts. It gets you hydrated.
Yeah, the best you got in this world are coconuts. It has all the
Electrolytes. Potassium,
potassium,
selenium,
yeah.
magnesium.
Too much electrolytes. It's like after a good workout back in gym, you have to get a coconut.
Coconut.
No cool drink, no pre-workouts, just
That's right.
coconut. Coconut gets the job done.
A lot of Turkish restaurants I've seen in Phuket. Turkish people here.
Nice. Turkish are known for their kebabs.
Yes. You have kebabs in India?
No, I had kebabs back when I was in Dubai. You get this
But
doner
in India,
kebabs.
you have kebab stands?
We don't have kebabs. We have an Indian version. I come from Hyderabad, so Hyderabad has an Indian version of kebab.
But it's chicken or?
It's mainly chicken kebabs.
Okay. That's
These are ladies' jeans.
Levi's.
This looks pretty cool. This looks
It's
pretty
art
cool.
also.
It's art come jeans.
So does the Indian kebab come in bread?
Yeah,
just by itself?
it comes with roti. We also have a lot of shawarma culture which is popping up recently
Okay.
back in my place. But the food you have to try when you come to India, especially Hyderabad, is chicken biryani.
What's that?
It's slow cooked rice, basmati rice, long grain rices with chicken with a technique called dum. So what happens is once the rice is cooked, the vapors re-enter into the rice and they cook it. It's like the ancient version of a cooker,
Okay.
like a pressure cooker but using an ancient technique.
Okay.
We're just walking here in the sun. You don't even have a shade on, man. How bright is it today?
It's okay. It's not very warm.
We are 4 minutes away from our destination.
And you wanted to take the scooter. And
We already walked for
we have-
walked for 15 minutes now, bro.
That's because we were lost. Now we got on the way one coconut.
We'll get a coconut very soon.
What is this stuff?
I think it's pineapples.
Oh, and a different crazy.
Yeah. We'll have smoothies. About smoothies. Yeah.
I just want a coconut.
Do you have coconuts?
Yeah. So you order your smoothie?
Yeah. I know. I'll go with 2 coconuts. Yeah. Can you hold this for me, my
Yes,
friend?
Yes, sir. But you're not paying for me, bro.
I'm paying for you,
No,
bro.
no. Beautiful. How do you do it? How do you switch?
This is how you switch. That's it.
Oh no, not this one. I want the pineapple.
Oh, then you have to use the gimbal. You have to
Ah,
joysticks.
okay.
Yeah.
Beautiful pineapple. Look at that, fresh pineapple. And mango. And watermelon.
2 coconuts, please. Kapung klap.
What's this?
They're dragon fruits.
Dragon
I think they're called dragon fruits.
What is this? This is papaya?
Yeah, this is purple.
It makes you a bigger man.
But,
There's
why?
a coconut.
Yeah, why do you
Oh.
think the pineapples are around here?
Okay, hold on. I want to get them the smashing of the coconut.
Okay.
Here you go.
Savani ka? Kapung klap. Sorry.
Some coconut, switch cameras. Thank you.
Thank you. Kapung klap.
Electrolytes, thank you very much.
I think we should drink these, and we have to get the.
You want to eat this?
Yeah.
No, man, we don't have to. I've noticed that the coconuts have less water in here than in the Philippines. It
But-
takes me longer to drink a coconut in the Philippines than here.
The water's pretty sweet though.
Yeah, and they're always fresh over here. That's good. Haven't gotten an old one. Very good.
I'm done with my coconut.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll just drop it in a couple. Finish. Yes, thank you. Yeah, he's still.
Look at that beautiful mountain. Thank you very much. Electrolyte power.
This was pretty sweet, man. This
Yeah, one of the more sweet ones. Yeah.
Sweet one.
هذا صيدلية عادي. Young but sweet.
This is like that mature coconuts, well matured coconut with a lot of sweet water. Sweet fermented water. It's a little bit fermented.
You think?
Yeah. You get that pine flavor out of this. That's because of the fermentation which happens. After a certain age, the coconut it starts flowering from inside. When that happens, the taste changes.
And we have a French hotel.
Oh,
They're big.
this is Novotel. I think I'm checking in here
No,
next
you
time.
don't
You've been here?
No, they're all the same. You've got the same towel as you do in Paris.
Oh. టుక్ టుక్ మళ్ళీ మారిపోయింది. బ్యాంకాక్లో డిఫరెంట్ ఉంటే ఇక్కడ డిఫరెంట్ ఉంది, పటాయాలో డిఫరెంట్ ఉంటే. పటాయాలో నేను టుక్ టుక్ ఎక్కలే. యాక్చువల్లీ ఎక్కుతాం అనుకున్నాను, అసలు టైమే దొరకలే ఇక్కడ. టైం అని కదా భయ, ఆపర్చునిటీ దొరకలే. దే వాజ్ నో టుక్ టుక్ స్టాపింగ్ బై. సో ఇది వచ్చేసి నోవోటల్ అనమాట. చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఉంది, నెక్స్ట్ లెవెల్ ఉంది.
This is block building.
యా
Nothing special.
built with cultural identity. It's like a mini palace, a palace అని చెప్పొచ్చు. So back to you, sir.
Back to you.
Back to you, sir. What's up? What's been happening?
They sell a lot of these island tours, sightseeing every corner.
I actually want to go to the Fifi Island. Kofi Fi.
Actually, you and me should go to one of these, either tonight or tomorrow.
Tonight I'm partying, man. Tonight I'm partying.
Tomorrow, 7th Friday. Today's Thursday, and they have Brazilian against Thai.
Okay, let's get the. Today is Thursday.
It might be interesting.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go to see one of them.
I think you should be going tomorrow because today I'm going to party
Go
hard.
to sleep.
You're an old man in a
That's right.
young man's body.
Old man. Old man is-
That's an old soul there. I just want to sleep. I wake up early tomorrow morning. I do a little bit of yoga, a little bit of mind relaxation, meditation. The older you become, the younger you become.
That's true. See, there's a lot of these fights. Look, Canadian girl, Belgian, Australian, Chinese. Lots of fights every night.
So, is it Muay Thai fights or is it boxing fights?
Yeah,
Is
they
it kickboxing?
they have it all. Muay Thai, MMA, boxing, kickboxing. On one gala, they have a lot of sports.
Did my favorite MMA fighter Conor McGregor come here anytime to fight? Maybe to spar?
I just like Olympic boxing.
Oh,
It seems so.
I think it's called amateur boxing back home. Mike Tyson actually got his first knockout in Olympic boxing. Have you seen the Mike Tyson boxing? The first one. He knocks out a guy in 19 seconds or something, 9 seconds or something. He becomes the first Olympic boxer to knock out that soon.
You don't want to ask?
All I want to say is bonjour, bonjour.
Привет.
Привет. So, where exactly is this place? How far is this place from?
We're 300 meters away.
Okay. Do you think it's in this lane?
No, we're straight ahead. This is interesting. Tony's Sports Bar.
It looks like something we have in a beach. It's like a beach bar.
Handbags, Gucci, Louis Vuitton. For coffee. Did you drink coffee?
Yeah.
Back home, there's this coffee guy. He makes his own coffee, but he imports from India and Brazil, and he makes a mixture. Roast 40% Brazil and or 60% Brazil, 40% Indian, and the coffee then the blend comes out like tastes like chocolate.
Oh, I get it. I get
Delicious.
it.
And I never knew Indian coffee is so good
We have good.
until I tried this blend.
We have massive coffee estates. We have
Delicious coffee.
Yeah, we have the primes coming out from Chikmagalur. We have primes coming out from Aruku. Aruku has a unique flavor to it. All big estates and up on the hills, up on the mountains.
So if any big coffee grower in India, thank you for your coffee. I appreciate it.
Thank
I
you.
drink it 2 times every day.
My-
Brazil and Indian coffee.
Yeah, my brother here from Canada supports the farmers.
But I'm Polish.
Oh,
I'm Catholic, Polish, and Canadian.
we
There's your Ganesha?
yeah, this is an elephant.
It's not Ganesha?
No,
It's not Ganesha.
मेरे पास एक है.
He says it's Ganesha.
You have to get one for yourself.
No.
Let's.
No, let's walk. Too much time, we would get sucked in and end up buying Louis Vuitton purses.
I got a real one. I spent around 40,000, I believe. It was always in my mind, I've been saving money. The moment I've saved money, I thought, oh no, I don't want to spend it, but let's do it.
Go to Turkey, get one for 10% of the price. Or Thailand.
I ordered it from the store, man.
You can also get a Gucci. Everything. Michael Kors, you name it. And this is the outback paradise.
Outback paradise.
Whatever it means. I don't know what it means.
We're having real fun on the street today.
But really, we need to go. Look, September is 8th, also Super 5. Super 5!
Let's do this when we come back.
Super 5! And this is the Royal Paradise. I don't know what that means.
Do you think this is the one?
No?
Do you think this is the paradise?
Okay, we're slowly approaching McDonald's. No, just kidding. I think we're almost
90
there.
meters. We are 90 meters
Okay,
away
that's
from our
very close.
destination.
We might miss it. But
Do you think it's that side?
after shooting, I'm gonna be hungry, and then after I'm hungry, I want a delicious Indian coffee somewhere.
I don't
We'll
think.
find an Indian coffee.
Here in Thailand, I'm only drinking Thai tea. Thai tea. Thai tea is
Thai
kind
tea.
of kind of my wake up coffee here in Thailand.
The exp-
If this is the one, I think
Then
we
I
have.
pass. And they have shown the party buses.
It's tuk tuk.
They put on loud music. Maybe it's here. This is a
Yeah, it's here. It's here, man. It's somewhere here.
a lot of business.
Okay, Indian. This is a street of restaurants. Where?
Don't know what they want. Or no, we're not good. No, but maybe you can turn right.
Where is the Pathong
I
Phuket?
think it's on the right.
Are you sure, my friend?
Yeah. We turned too early. We should have went straight. But this is a nice place to check out. Lots of places. Kind of scary.
I think silence in Thailand actually freaks out people.
It doesn't exist.
So Potu, we lost the track of the navigation. So we are finding our way back. It's walking distance. It's somewhere nearby, but
It's
we are
150 meters.
we were 90 meters away from that before,
Yeah,
right?
because we turned here. We should have kept going. But it's a crazy city center. Yeah, we're very close. We just need to turn left.
So yeah, guys, we lost the track. We are going to find. Maybe
We're on track.
do you think we are? It's on the other side.
Yeah, it is on the other side. They don't want to stop. There you go. It's right there. And hostel.
How do they even integrate both?
Wow. T-shirts.
This is super business, man. Super business.
More Gucci. You want more Gucci?
I just want to go. Oh, if I have a son, I'm going to get few of these. There's an entire mall right inside the street. It's straight होते there.
भैया जी
हेलो नमस्ते.
गणेश जी लेना है भैया जी.
नहीं अभी तो मैं आज तो
आप गणेश जी की भक्त है.
मैं शनि भगवान का भक्त हूँ. मैं शनि भगवान का भक्त हूँ.
आप इधर देखिए गणेश जी है. गणेश जी
आप किधर से हो? म्यांमार से हो?
म्यांमार से है. नेपाली है.
नेपाली है. अच्छा,
ये देखिए.
बहुत अच्छा रुद्राक्षा मिलता है नेपाल से. मैं बहुत सारे रुद्राक्षा लिया था. मैं इसके लिए आता हूँ. मैं बाद में इसके लिए आता हूँ. ये गिव मी अ सेकेंड. मेंढक का तरह ही आवाज़ आ रहा है उसका. मैं अभी जाके आता हूँ. कितने का है?
किधर जाके आते. ओके आ जाए उधर. भैया जी ये सामने आ जाइए. ओके ये मेरा शॉप है.
हाँ ठीक है.
ओके.